Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen timeout on your Aurafit Trek 1 smartwatch. This is really the first thing that I was looking for when I got this watch. By default it's set to 5 seconds. I'm going to show you how you can adjust it. So let's turn on the watch. I just simply pressed any button. You're on your watch, you're doing things, you stop. After 5 seconds your screen turns off, or if you've got your automatic screen turned on, it'll basically go back to your main screen. How do we adjust that so you've got more time to be fiddling with things on there? They've got it a little bit hidden on this watch. I'm going to simply turn on the display, and while it's on, I'm going to swipe down from the top. I'm going to click on the gear icon for settings. This is going to take us to our settings menu, and then under your settings menu, it's actually under the raise to wake sub-menu. Under raise to wake, you'll see an option for screen timeout, or on screen is what they refer to it as, and you can adjust this. So I'm just going to set mine for 10 seconds. And now I'm going to press the home button, go back, and we'll see that instead of it timing out after 5 seconds, it'll time out after 10 seconds. You can set it as long as you want to. You want to be careful though, it's trying to save you some battery life, but that's how you do it on the Aurafit Trek 1 watch. Hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.